Welcome back to RE Mastery Hub. Lesson 6, the FAIS Ombud. This is where a client goes when the FSP fails to resolve a complaint internally. We're covering jurisdiction, the 3,500,000 Rand financial cap, the exact time limits, 6 weeks, 6 months, 1 month, and what an ombud determination actually means legally. One number gets this topic wrong more than any other: the cap. Let's get it exactly right. After this lesson, you will be able to 1. State exactly what falls within jurisdiction and what does not. 2. State the precondition before the ombud accepts a complaint. 3. State the 3,500,000 Rand cap and the only way to exceed it. 4. Explain what a determination is legally equivalent to. 5. State all 3 time limits. 6. State the case fee and who pays it. Jurisdiction. This is where the exam catches most students. The FAIS Ombud has jurisdiction over complaints about poor advice or poor intermediary services rendered by an FSP or representative licensed under FAIS. Outside jurisdiction, pure product underperformance with no advice failure. Banking service failures go to the banking ombud. Medical scheme complaints go elsewhere, and the entity must be FAIS licensed. Exam trap. Investment underperformance alone is not enough. Advice must be the problem. Before the ombud will formally receive a complaint, one condition must be satisfied. The FSP must have received the complaint and failed to resolve it adequately within 6 weeks. In practice, the client lodges with the FSP first. If resolved, matter ends there. If unresolved after 6 weeks, the ombud's jurisdiction opens. Exam trap. Going straight to the ombud without lodging with the FSP first gets referred back. The financial cap. 3,500,000 Rand per complaint. The most tested single number in this entire topic. To exceed the cap requires one of 2 things: the respondent FSP's written consent or the complainant waiving the excess. Exam trap. The ombud cannot unilaterally exceed the cap, not even for gross negligence or deliberate fraud. Legal status of a determination. It's not advisory, it's not a recommendation. An unappealed FAIS ombud determination carries the same legal force as a high court civil judgment. If the FSP doesn't comply, the complainant may apply for a writ of execution. It is not equivalent to an FSCA directive, an arbitration award, or a mediation award. The exam tests this distinction directly. 3 time limits. Memorize all 3 exactly. 1. FSP resolution, 6 weeks. 2. Complainant escalation, 6 months from the FSP's final response. 3. Appeal period, 1 month after a determination is issued. Exam trap. The 6-month clock starts at the final response, not the original complaint date. This is a scenario question favorite. Case fee. Up to 1,000 Rand, payable by the respondent FSP. Completely free to the complainant. The process once accepted. Notify parties, allow submissions, then attempt conciliation or mediation first. Only if that fails does the ombud move to formal investigation, culminating in a determination. Exam trap. Mediation must be attempted before formal investigation. It cannot be skipped. 6 exam tips. Tip 1. Jurisdiction is poor advice or intermediary services only. Tip 2. 6-week FSP process must be exhausted first. Tip 3. 3,500,000 Rand cap. Exceed only via consent or waiver. Tip 4. Determination equals high court judgment. Tip 5. 6-month clock starts at final response. Tip 6. 1,000 Rand case fee. FSP pays mediation before investigation. Your one-screen summary. Screenshot this slide. Top left, jurisdiction. Top right, the cap. Bottom left, 3 time limits. Bottom right, legal status and fee. It is time to test your knowledge. Pause the video and answer. I'll explain in the next slide. The answer is D. Complainants have 6 months from the FSP's final response. 6 months after March 3rd, 2024 is September 3rd, 2024. Let's go to our second question. Pause and answer this more complex scenario. The answer is A. The cap applies. The 700,000 Rand excess is only payable if RST consents in writing or the complainant waives it. Options B, C, and D all invent rules that do not exist. Quick recap. 6 things. 1. Jurisdiction, poor advice or intermediary services only. 2. 6-week FSP precondition. 3. 3,500,000 Rand cap, 2 exceptions. 4. Determination equals high court judgment. 5. 3 time limits. 6. 1,000 Rand case fee. FSP pays. Quiz this topic on RE Mastery Hub app now. Free to start. Next lesson, FICA and anti-money laundering. The 3 stages of money laundering and when a suspicious transaction report must be filed. Subscribe. Study smart, pass first time. See you on the next lesson.